This is a quick fit tip on lat pull downs, 3 do's and 3 don'ts. Here's how to use it to strengthen your back, which boosts your metabolism, improves your posture, and makes weight loss much easier. The lat pull down is also called the front pull down, and it primarily works the lats, the outer part of the back. But there are other muscles that are also getting worked at the same time, such as your biceps, your shoulders, your rhomboids, your trapezius, but the primary focus is lats. Number 1, do pull the bar to your upper chest, ending at about collarbone height. Number 2, do keep the bar in front of your body. Number 3, do keep your hands a little bit wider than shoulder width for your grip. For the don'ts, number 1, don't pull it in front of your body or away from your body. This stops your lats from activating and puts an excess amount of stress on your shoulders and your lower back. Number 2, don't pull the bar behind your neck. This causes strain on your neck and your shoulders. You're risking serious injury with no benefits and has been proven to be less beneficial than the front pull down. Number 3, don't grip the bar too wide. Your lats can't fully engage if your grip width is too wide. There are plenty of other do's and don'ts to cover with this exercise. Subscribe to Fitness Makeover for more, along with videos that separate fact from fiction and fitness.